my name is Foucher. If you're new to my channel, please be sure to hit the notification bell so that way you can catch my next video. Today I want to talk to you about how to install a lens on a DSLR camera. There's various types of lenses that you can buy out there, such as this specified lens here, 28-300, to something smaller on the zoom size, right here, but like an 18-55. There are even some longer zooms. There are even some longer zooms out there for you. Then you have many prime lens, such as this 35mm prime lens. Here I have a Nikon camera. If you have a Canon or a different type of camera, the instructions are fairly the same. Instead of turning counterclockwise to install the lens, you may have to turn clockwise. So just pay attention to which type of camera you have for the instructions. If going counterclockwise doesn't work, try going clockwise. In this video, I'll be using a Nikon D5200, but with most Nikon DSLRs, the process is the same. First thing you want to do is ensure the camera is off and remove the lens cap from the lens mount, ensuring that the camera is pointed in a downward direction so you don't get any dust or outside particles inside the camera. Then you remove the cap that protects the back of the lens. Then you want to find the little white dot on the lens and look for the white dot in the camera and make sure that they point towards each other and turn counterclockwise until the lens clicks. On the lens that has an aperture ring, be sure to set out the height f-stop as you install it on your camera. Even though most newer DSLRs such as this D5200 have a dust reduction system, you should always install and remove lenses in a dust-free environment. One thing to keep in mind with changing lenses is you want to try to stay in a clean environment. Changing a lens on a sandy beach is usually not a good idea because the small sand particles can really damage the camera and you could even get it wet. So try to keep that in mind. Hopefully you enjoyed this video on how to install a lens on a DSLR camera and you'll be more confident to do it yourself. Please be sure to catch my next video to where I'll be giving you some more DSLR tips as well as other camera tips and reviews.